Hey there! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to integrate 123FormBuilder with ActiveCampaign so you can automatically send leads from your forms directly into your ActiveCampaign lists. Let's get started. First, go to the Setup section and choose Integrations from the drop-down. Next, search for ActiveCampaign using the search bar and click Connect. Now, head over to ActiveCampaign and click Settings and then go to Developer Settings. Next, copy the API URL and the access token and paste them into the 123FormBuilder setup. After that, hit Save. Now it's time to map your fields. Choose the list where new leads should go and link the required email field. Without it, submissions won't be sent to ActiveCampaign. You can enable Contact Update and add tags using field labels or custom text separated by commas. Set up error handling to get notified by email if a contact fails to be created. When you're done, click Save. Each form submission will now create a contact in your ActiveCampaign list. Let's make a test submission to see if our integration works. As you can see, it works out perfectly. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our website 123formbuilder.com. Happy form building!